Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to encrypt, password protect, and set permissions for a PDF in Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to make.powerautomate.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all the automation features and can start building your workflow right away. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard. On the left side of your screen, locate and click on the Create option. This will open up a menu with different flow types you can build. From there, click on Instant Cloud Flow, which allows you to trigger your automation manually whenever you need it. Next, select Manually Trigger a Flow and then click the Create button. This sets up the foundation for your PDF encryption workflow. Now that your flow is created, it's time to add the first action. Click the plus icon to add a new step, then search for Get File Content in the search bar. For this example, we'll be working with SharePoint, so select the Get File Content option specifically for SharePoint. This action allows Power Automate to retrieve the PDF file you want to encrypt and protect. In the configuration panel that appears, you'll need to input your SharePoint site address where your PDF is stored. Then, in the File Identifier field, click the folder icon to browse your SharePoint library. Locate and select the PDF file you want to secure, then click on it to confirm your selection. This tells Power Automate exactly which file to process. Next, click the plus icon again to add another step. This time, search for CloudMersive in the search bar. CloudMersive is a powerful tool that handles PDF encryption and security features. When the results appear, find the CloudMersive PDF option and click See More to view all available actions. From the expanded list, select the action that says Encrypt, Password Protect, and set restricted permissions on a PDF. This is the core feature that will secure your document. Now you'll see several fields to configure. In the first field, input and own a password. This password will give you full administrative control over the PDF, allowing you to make changes and remove security settings later if needed. In the second field, input the user password. This is what users will need to enter to open and view the document, providing the first layer of security. Moving to the third field, click the thunder icon to view dynamic content options, then select File Content from the list. This connects the PDF file you retrieved earlier from SharePoint to the encryption action. In the fourth field, input the file name of your PDF so the system knows which document it's working with. Now click on Advanced Parameters to reveal additional security options, then click on Possible Values. In that field, type 256. This sets the encryption strength to 256-bit AES encryption, which is the industry standard for securing sensitive documents and provides robust protection against unauthorized access. Once your encryption settings are configured, click the plus icon one more time and search for Create File, then select it. This action will save your newly secured PDF back to SharePoint. Input your SharePoint site address and specify the folder path where you want the encrypted file to be saved. Then input a file name for your secured document. For example, you could name it securedoutput.pdf so it's easy to identify. Finally, in the File Content field, click the thunder icon and select Output Content from the Dynamic Content menu. This ensures that the encrypted version of your PDF is what gets saved, not the original unprotected file. And that's it, your automation is now ready to run and save. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that encrypts, password protects, and sets permissions for your PDF files automatically. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.